So just to show you, this is the store's retail area show. Ito yung ground floor retail area nila. While they have basic amenities such as a playground and a swimming pool with a podium. So these are the unit floor plans for a studio unit. So ito yung mga suggested floor plans namin, but we will deliver it finished lang. Okay, so yan. Then this one is a one-bedroom unit. It is finished lang, hindi siya furnished. Ito mga suggested ano lang. Mga yung removable items wala. Except for the sink and the countertop. So ayan yung ano, living area. Ayan yung bathroom and one bedroom. So what's good about this is we can combine units here. So
what's the size?
We can get two. What's the size?
Usually one bedroom is 26 to 32 square meters or 291 square feet to 390 square feet. Then what we usually do is we combine the units. There will be a door opening in the middle. So mura pa rin yung monthly, mamaya papakita ko. Like, yan na. This one is a one bedroom unit. So para makita nyo, we have three payment terms to make it more simple. Meron kaming spot cash payment at $54,472. So mas mura siya kung papansinin nyo. Ang no down payment namin caters dun sa mga gusto lang mag-invest ng monthly na only lang. So tingnan natin, ang reservation fee namin is $350. Ito yung binabawas sa principal. So after 1 month, we will then pay $230. Monthly na yan for 30 months.
How much?
$230. This is a one bedroom, 28.9 square meters.
For how many years?
For 30 months or 2.5 years. So after that, the bank financing amount or the total loanable amount can be paid through our accredited banks in 5, 15, and up to 25 years. Remember that banks has up to 65 years old lang. So if you're, ayan, tita, kunyari kayo po, 40 years old na po ba kayo, tita?
More than.
More than. Kung 40 years old na, pwede pa tayong mag-loan up to 25 years.